We're doing a week 10 lab, which would be week 5 if you're taking this in the summer, and it has to do with chapter 28. So we'll come up on that procedure and see what we're supposed to be doing. Save, open, and print out your Excel file, and we will get started. Volume 2, Electricity, Magnetism. Volume 2. Electricity and magnetism. We want magnetic field produced by an electric current. Magnetic field produced by electric current. Boom. Okay. And we want a straight long wire, which is what we have, a straight long wire. Fine. And now we're going to move the compass and take compass readings in various positions. Distance from the center. Okay. In centimeters. So we're going to move the compass so that we're 4 centimeters from the center. There we are, 4 centimeters from the center. So record the magnetic field, which is down there in the lower right hand corner. We now want 8 centimeters. So I'm going to move to 8 centimeters. Okay, we're at 8 centimeters, so you're going to record the data. Then we're going to go to 12 centimeters. And we're going to record the data. And then we're going to go to 16 centimeters. And we're going to record data. And we're going to go to 20 centimeters. Record data. And 24 centimeters. And record the data. So that's the data you need for run number 1. Before we go to run number 2, I'm going to click on the information tab and let you read what it's saying. And you may have to pause it because I didn't stay on it long enough for you to read it. Okay, so run number 2. What are we supposed to be doing? Click on the battery, changing the direction. All right, so we're going to click on the battery. We change the direction of the battery. Okay, and now we're going to take data at 4 centimeters. Click on them. Okay, we're going to do it again. All right, so back into 4 centimeters. Okay, there we're at 4 centimeters. Take your data. I'm going to go out to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters, take your data. 12 centimeters, record the data. Well, not there yet. Okay, there we are. 12 centimeters, record the data. 16 centimeters, record the data. 20 centimeters, record the data. And 24 centimeters, record the data. Okay, Now we're going to go and do run 3. And 1.3 says to click on the solenoid. So we clicked on the solenoid. Move the compass and positions in table 28. 0 is the center and go up. Record your data. Okay, so gonna go and we want 0.5 centimeters. 0.5, that's 5 centimeters. We want 0.5. 0.9, 0.8, 0.5, 8, 0.5 centimeters. Oh, there we go. 0.5 centimeters. Record the magnetic field. Now we're going to go to 1 centimeter. Okay, there we're at 1 centimeter. Record the magnetic field. Now I may have been at minus 0.5 centimeters, but it's going to be the same number either on the top or on the bottom. 1.5 centimeters. This would be a tricky measurement to do if you had rolled metal, wouldn't it? Trying to get your compass inside the magnetic field, inside the piece of metal. That would be an interesting thing to do. 0.15 centimeters, take your data. Two. 2 centimeters, take your data. And 2.5 centimeters, take your data. Okay, so that's all the data you're going to need. The problem is that you're going to have other problems. Because if we come back to information, it says you have 4 amps of current, and you have, what else do you have? 100 turns of the wire. And as you noticed, as you did your calculations, when you do your calculations, that's not going to be the answers you're going to get. So in the procedure, in the last step, it says, step 15, it says that you get to do it again after you figured out what the computer programmer did to mess up this simulation. Okay, good enough. This ends the data taking for table 28.